Hi, welcome to Catia V5 video tutorial. Now I want to do that dome made of bricks in Catia V5. So it's kind of similar, but it's also kind of different. Because the handling of solids is different in Catia. Therefore, I had to do it in a different way, and there is no slice body command, at least I'm not aware of any. So, let's have fun with Catia V5. Let's start with a sketch. I will use the positioned one on the XY plane. And I want to swap and reverse V. Okay. I will hide as usual those elements. I need a circle. And the diameter of that circle might be 200. And let's put that point onto those two axes. Okay, leave that sketch, and you should use GSD. I want to make an extrude. So let's go for 50 in that direction, and okay. So let's hide our sketch, which is located here, and maybe put it into that one. Not possible, really. So let's try it like this. Change sketch geometrical set and put it into that geometrical set. Now it's there. Okay. Now I want to use a fill. Select the edge, go for support. That's the support, and I want to be tangent condition and confirm. And I got a dome. Let's hide that extrude. I will need a plane with an angle. So where are my planes? Nope. Somewhere over here, yes. Not with an offset, but with an angle. That would be the axis, that would be the reference, and angle should be, I think, minus 18 degrees. Okay, now let's split the surface. I want to split that surface with this plane. Okay, and another split with that one. Okay. Now I could try to use that edge, or I could, yeah, we'll go for a different approach. So I will go for an extract. Let's go for an extract, and I want to extract that edge and confirm. Now I want to put 5 points with equal distance and some normal planes onto that curve. So we'll go for my points, and that's the 1 points and planes repetition. So the first point would be right here. The curve would be this one. And without endpoints, I want 5 instances. And it should create the planes also. And it should be put into a new geometrical set. So I want this geometrical set to be on the same level. So go there, geometrical set, and change geometrical set and put into that part. Okay, that's the active set. Now for my sketch, right on the plane, hide these, And I will need some lines. One construction line. Somewhere over here. Make it right there. Coincident on that one. And that one should be coincident to the Z axis. Okay, I will need some lines, and I might need those elements projected. So I think I will need the points. Yeah, so project those points. That's point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. This should be okay. Point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5. I need lines which go from that projected point, which should be, so that didn't work. Let's project this one as well, the first one. Okay, now this should be a standard line. Try to snap not on anything, but this. Okay. Now these should all be collinear to that plane. So let's align them, or maybe first trim them. That would be better. So let's trim these and then align them. This should be coincident, 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 and coincident. In order to make the revolves, I will output these. So go for output once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and leave that sketch. Now I can do my revolves. So revolve, not offset, sorry. There's the revolve. That's the profile. That would be the axis, and I will go for minus. No, I will go for 45. 45. Okay. Next one. Axis. Okay. Next one. Axis. Okay. Next one. Axis. Okay. Last one. Axis. Okay. And cancel this out. Now I have to split that surface and always keep both sides. So go double click there, select this one, split it with that one, keep both sides. Okay, select, select, keep both sides, select, select, keep both sides, select, select, keep both sides, and now this one with that one, keep both sides and confirm. Cancel this out. Now I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this should be also one small surface. Yes. Now I could hide the revolutes. And that sketch, and the extract, the planes, and those as well. Let's switch to a different view so you can see the edges. Now I want to do a thickening. Yeah, therefore we'll need bodies. So let's go for insert body, 6 of them, insert body, insert body, insert body, 1, 2, 5, and another one like this. Now let's go, that's body 7, let's start here, thicken this surface 10 millimeter to the inside, okay. Then switch to body 6, thicken that one, okay. Body 5, thicken that one. Body 4, thicken that one. Body 3, thicken this one, and body 2, thicken that one. Now I could hide those faces, and that's okay. In order to create parts of these bodies, you would have to use copy and paste special with link. Okay, now I could put them all together in one body, or I do the circular patterns in all those bodies. So I'm body 2, make a circular pattern. Let's see if it works. Circular pattern, because I've encountered some difficulties. Complete crown, I need 20 instances. That would be the axis, and let's see if it works or not, because I've encountered, yeah, same problem as before. It's kind of strange, but what I do, I will split it. So I go for a circular pattern with 5 instances and an angular spacing of 18 degrees, and I will use this one, and okay. Now I could pattern this body 4 times with a complete crown. This should work. That's the reference, and okay. That's sort of strange, but it works. Now let's switch to body 3, make another circular pattern, make it 20 instances, make it a complete crown. That's the one, and it will pattern the current solid, and okay. Switch to body 4, circular pattern, go for complete crown, select the axis, confirm. Switch to the next body, circular pattern, go for complete crown, select the axis, okay. 2 more, 6, circular pattern, complete crown, okay, and the last one, switch to body 7, circular pattern, that's the axis, complete crown of course, and okay, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page and like it over there as well. Would be very nice of you. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.